Welcome to Sweets and Treats Open Invite. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Additional hosts are Jennifer at Home, May's Design Corner, Donna Decor and More, and Dream with Caroline. And any other participants will be listed in the description box. Okay, one of the sweets I'll be making is red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese icing and adding some sprinkles on top. This is my husband's favorite cake, red velvet. And also these delicious chocolate chip cookies with walnuts. Yum! And another cookie is these ginger snap cookies. And I'm going to dust them with a little bit of powdered sugar. Doesn't that look good? And I'm also going to be adding these Little Debbie Christmas donuts. I had purchased those at the Dollar General. Okay, now I'm about to frost the red velvet cupcakes, and I'm going to put them on the plate with the Little Debbie donuts. So I'm taking the cream cheese frosting and putting a generous amount on the cupcake, and then I'll be adding some sprinkles. There we go. Doesn't that look good? So next I'll be adding it to the table. And also I'm going to be adding these old-fashioned vanilla cream drop candies. Okay, so here is my sweets and treats table. I've added as the centerpiece these little orange pick stems and a white vase as my centerpiece. And I have my turkey, and I have some oranges in that little bowl there with some more oranges there as well. I didn't want this to be just candy and cookies and cupcakes, so I added a little healthy orange, little tangerine oranges too. Now I'm transitioning from fall to Christmas, so here is my Christmas plate that I ordered last year from Amazon, and here are my tin soldier napkins with a gold charger. The tin soldier napkins and the silver charger I did get at the Dollar General, and here is my Linux cup, and I have a few drinking glasses too. I love the tint of the drinking glasses from the Dollar General. One's like a blue and the other one's green. Now here are my ginger snaps. Now those happen to be my favorite cookie. And I've already lit the candles. And here are the red velvet cupcakes and little mini donuts. So that is my sweets and treats for today. And the chocolate chip cookies with the walnuts. Okay, now be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. And hopefully you got some inspiration on how to create a sweets and treats table, especially when you're transitioning from fall to Christmas. You can blend the two. Thanks for watching. See you all on the next one.